My name is Jill Sale and I've been working at Commonwealth Bank since 2009 in the Group Corporate Services team. It is a great place to work. If you've got an idea and you get support from your leaders, then you can really take that anywhere. I've been passionate about the environment since I was little. Composting when I was little, recycling, it's something that I've always done. It's really exciting to work for an organisation that does care about their impact on the environment and to be a part of that.
My name's Lee. I've worked at the Commonwealth Bank for 14 years as the executive chef. Altogether, we're probably feeding around about 10,000 people per day. So it's like a small town, basically. All of the organics used to go into landfill. That's the reality.
It's estimated that about 1/3 of food globally is wasted every year. In Australia, it's about 7.6 million tonnes. If you put that in a scale, global emissions for food waste would be third as a country.
I think the current state of the environment, there's a lot that everybody can contribute to. The Commonwealth Bank, we're one of the largest employers in Australia. We've focused on gradual sustainable change through changing sustainable behaviour, and then small things add up.
We've got a great green, red and yellow bin recycling system at CBA. It makes it really straightforward to do your recycling and composting, and it's great to see that all over the bank.
So the same signage on the bins is also on the coffee cups. And then education, so talking to people where we discuss composting, we discuss the environment.
I think the current state of the environment is quite concerning, but there is a lot of positivity to be taken away from corporates doing amazing initiatives.
The findings for us has been that it is really simple to divert your organics from landfill to organics, and that if a large business can change the slight modifications they have internally managing their waste and easily find a waste partner to collect it and divert it to organics, it has to be simple for smaller businesses.
If you partner with Compost Connect, it's actually very easy for you to divert your green waste now into compost. All the hard work's been done. You can be confident that it is going to get turned into compost. It's not going to just end up in landfill. It's very simple. You can just sign up. And then you just need to train your staff. It's just as easy to put it in the green bin as it is in the red bin or the yellow bin.
When I realised that all the packaging from the cafe could go into the green bin, it was amazing because it looks just like plastic and it's actually plant materials and it's all compostable.
By composting our green waste and compostable packaging at Commonwealth Bank, we've created enough compost each year to fill 8,400 bags of compost.
By diverting 10 tonnes of organics each month, it helps CBA achieve the avoidance of 61,000 kilograms of carbon each year.
The good news is that composting food waste is a net zero solution. The process in itself then returns the compost to the soil, and hence we're improving soil health.
The thing that gets me most excited about the project together with Compost Connect and CBA, the outcome provides a real example at scale for government and consumers to change their behaviours and change legislation.
There's a lot that everybody can do without a great deal of effort to make a big difference.
I think it's important to remember that it's one step at a time and that the first step is always the hardest and then it becomes easier from there. So if you can just start the process, you'll find out it's not as difficult as you think and you'll be making a huge impact on the environment.